Hi guys, welcome to Show Me Snookie. I'm Snookie. I'm from the Show Me State, and I'm here to show you a laced woven ribbon treat tray. And what we're here to do is just basically weave these ribbons through this tray, and it's going to be a great little tray of treats for spring. And everything I purchased here for this craft was, of course, from Dollar Tree. So I picked up some Easter spring ribbon with floral on it. I picked up this cute little plaid spring colors in their Easter section. And then I went over to the baby section and I got the blue polka dot and I got the pink polka dot. And I thought, it works for spring too. So what we're going to do is get started weaving. Get your glue gun. Let's go. Okay, where we're going to start is, I'm thinking the bottom corner. And I'm just going to tuck that right there. One nice feature about this is that it is all wired ribbon, so it does hold its shape quite nicely. So as I'm going through here, I'm just going to go ahead and let a bunch out through my weaving. I want to make sure that I keep the outside part on the outside part of the ribbon, because this is not a double-sided ribbon, so you guys know. There is a brighter side and a lighter side. It's not double-sided. And we can, of course, straighten out as we go along through weaving in and out. But you see how smoothly this is going through, because we have such wide gaps between our weaves, which is nice, because now once we get our ribbon woven all the way through, we're going to have multiple things that we can put in this tray that are, of course, not going to slide out the holes now that the ribbon is covering things up. So that's awesome. Another thing that we can do is tie a cute little bow to the front of this, which I really like that idea. So I'm not the best bow maker. I will say I did get, through Amazon, I ordered the Bow Genie. And I will be excited to review that with you all soon. And I can't wait to let you know what I think of it. And do some, well, of course, review and tutorial on what types of ribbon and that I think work best with it. Okay, that's that row. Okay, so I'm going to cut this end here. Give it a little extra. I'm not going to chop it off right at the very end, because I'm going to fold it over, fold the edge over so you don't get any edges, and then I'm going to put a little dot of hot glue on this corner. There's my little dot of glue. Right there. Now we can go ahead and weave in the next row of ribbon. So I didn't quite use up a whole roll of this, which is nice. I'll have it left over for another craft project. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one for the top row. And I'm going to start on the same side that I started with last time. I'll go ahead and weave in. So let's get started on our bow. Okay guys, hit like and subscribe if you liked this ribbon woven plastic tray. Make a comment, let me know what you think guys. This is my Dollar Tree DIY for spring.